If your business feels chaotic, it's not bad luck, it's bad alignment. A weak strategy, messy systems, or the wrong team can quietly kill your growth. But what if you could fix it all, step by step? Today I'm breaking down the McKinsey 7S model with ChatGPT, showing you exactly how to streamline your business, eliminate inefficiencies, and scale smarter. And yes, you'll see me prompting ChatGPT live to generate these insights. Let's dive into each element. Strategy. Define clear goals and growth targets. Structure. Set up a flexible organization with decentralized decision-making. Systems. Automate processes using cutting-edge tools. Shared values. Build a culture of transparency and innovation. Skills. Develop your team's digital and leadership capabilities. Staff. Ensure you have the right talent in place. Style. Lead with vision and empathy. ChatGPT provides step-by-step prompts to help you analyze each area and identify misalignments, ensuring you have a robust plan for continuous improvement. Here's how to implement these ideas. Define your overall plan using the 7S framework. Map out your current state, then identify gaps between elements. Use ChatGPT's guided prompts to create a detailed plan for aligning your organization. Monitor progress with real-time KPIs and adjust continuously. Watch as I prompt ChatGPT step by step in the background to generate these insights, all without relying on a pre-built system, so you can adapt the ideas to your unique needs. By integrating the McKinsey 7S model with ChatGPT, you can drive strategic alignment, reduce inefficiencies, and unlock sustainable growth. Ready to transform your organization? Like, subscribe, and visit my Linktree for more exclusive insights. And don't forget to check out my book, AI-Powered Strategic Thinker 3. Thanks for watching, Strategic Thinkers. Let's innovate and lead together.